Next command is circle command. Either you can select circle command from here. You can also select circle command by typing C. Here are too many types of circles. First is center radius. Select it. For center radius circle, we need a center point. I select this point for center and put the value of radius. I put 10 mm radius. Press enter. Next is center diameter. Select it. For center diameter, we need one center point and one diameter. I put here diameter 10 mm. Press enter. See here, this circle is 10 mm radius circle and this one is 10 mm diameter circle. Next circle is 2-point circle. For 2-point circle, we need 2 points. I create line, first line, this one. Press escape button. Again select line command and second line is this one. Press escape button. Now select 2-point circle. Select first point, select second point. In 2-point circle, we don't need to justify any radius or any center point. It will automatically create a circle which touch these 2 points. Next one is 3-point circle. For 3-point circle, we need 3 points. I create 3 lines. First line, press escape button. Second line, press escape button. And third line, this one. Now select 3-point circle. First point, second point, and third point. Here is circle created which is connected with these 3 points. This is 3-point circle. Next one is tan radius circle. It means tangent circle. The circle will be tangent 2 points and we enter the radius. For that I create 2 circles here. First circle with this one and I create one more circle here. Now select tan radius circle. Now select first tangent point. I select this circle. Second tangent point this circle and enter the value of radius. I enter here 25. Press enter. Here is one limitation. If you enter the value of radius very less, then circle will not create. Now I delete this circle. If I select tan radius circle, I select this point and this point. Now I enter radius 5 mm. Then circle will not create because a radius of 5 mm circle is not exist here because this distance is more than 10 mm. The diameter is 10 mm, radius is 5. So I select more than 5 mm near about this distance. I select this tangent point and this tangent point. Enter the radius of circle. I enter 20 mm. Press enter. Now circle is created which is tangent to this circle, having radius 20 mm. For this type of circle we need 3 tangent points. First tangent this circle, second tangent this circle, and third tangent this circle. Now this circle is tangent to these all 3 circles. You can also apply tan circle with the help of line. For that I will create a triangle. Ortho mode off, press F8. Press escape button. Now select tangent circle. First tangent this line, second tangent this line, and third tangent this line.